Look down at your garden soil. Is it hard, cracked or pale? That's compacted soil, a silent crisis. Most reach for chemical fertilizers, hoping to revive struggling plants, but this only masks the real problem. True vitality comes from a living soil ecosystem, not a bag of chemicals. Healthy soil teems with bacteria, fungi and earthworms, the real engineers of fertility. Without them, soil can't breathe, hold water or nourish plants. The first step is recognizing the signs. Hard ground, water pooling, pale colour, symptoms of lost structure and life. To restore your garden, you must invite back the creatures that build and maintain this underground world. Let's begin the journey to bring your soil back to life. Earthworms are nature's architects, transforming soil structure as they tunnel and feed. Their presence signals a healthy ecosystem. No tool or chemical can replace their work. Earthworm tunnels aerate the soil, allowing air and water to reach plant roots. Their castings are rich in nutrients, slowly feeding plants and improving soil texture. Without earthworms, nutrients stay locked up, water runs off, and roots suffocate. Fertilizers can't fix lifeless soil. Earthworms can. To revive your garden, focus on bringing back these essential partners. They're not just residents, they're the creators of fertile soil. Let's see how to welcome them back. Reviving your soil starts with a simple ingredient: unsulfured blackstrap molasses. Molasses feeds soil microbes, which attract earthworms. Mix 1 tablespoon of molasses into a gallon of dechlorinated water. Stir until dissolved. The solution should look like weak tea. Apply in the evening, when earthworms are most active and microbes are protected from sunlight. Pour gently to moisten, not flood, the soil. This sweet tonic jump-starts microbial life and signals earthworms to return. No expensive tools or chemicals, just a kitchen staple and water. Repeat every few weeks for best results. Now, let's see what happens beneath the surface. After applying molasses, soil microbes explode in number, feasting on the sugars. This microbial bloom draws earthworms from deep and nearby, eager to feed. As earthworms arrive, they tunnel, aerate, and mix the soil, repairing its structure. For lasting results, cover the soil with organic mulch, shredded leaves, straw, or wood chips. Mulch keeps soil moist, feeds decomposers, and sustains earthworms long-term. Avoid sulfured molasses and don't overdo the sugar. Stick to 1 tablespoon per gallon. Apply on cool evenings for best effect. With this simple method, you'll see rapid, natural transformation. Let's look at the results. By morning, you may spot earthworm castings, proof your soil is coming alive. The ground feels softer, more yielding, and moisture lingers longer. With regular molasses pours and mulch, your soil grows darker, crumbly, and fertile. You're building a resilient, self-sustaining ecosystem, stronger plants, fewer pests, and natural fertility. This method partners with nature, not against it. Healthy soil is the foundation of life. Restoring it helps your garden and the planet. Try this technique, share it, and subscribe to Nature's Fix for more natural solutions. Together, let's bring our soil and our gardens back to life.